Hey mathematicians! Did you know right angles are hiding everywhere around you? Today, we're going on a right angle hunt. We'll find them in everyday objects and learn to spot angles that are bigger, smaller, and equal to a right angle. Let's go! Remember, a right angle is a perfect square corner. It measures 90 degrees. See that little square? That means right angle. Easy. Right angles are everywhere. The corner of your book? Right angle. The edge of a window, right angle. Your desk, the whiteboard, right angles all around. Look around your room right now. How many right angles can you spot? Count them. Pause the video and go on a right angle hunt. Find 3 things in your room with a right angle corner. Point to each one and say, right angle, go. Now let's look at a door. When it's just a little bit open, that angle is smaller than a right angle. When it's open at a square corner, that's equal to a right angle. And when it's wide open, that angle is bigger than a right angle. So angles can be smaller than a right angle, equal to a right angle, or bigger than a right angle. And now you know how to spot them everywhere. Fantastic work today! You are official right angle hunters. If you loved this video, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun maths lessons. See you next time, mathematicians!